Hi guys, it's Eddie from TrueVan, and we're in the middle of the San Gabriel National Forest. Behind me, we have the fully built Vision X based on the Mercedes Sprinter. So what I'm going to show you today is the new build called the Vantage. Now this is built on the Ford Transit, but we also build it on other chassis like the Sprinters and the ProMasters. Let's dive in. Welcome. Open floor plan, just like your new home. The kitchen is connected to the living space. Also, I'm going to show you the dinette and the bed system. Let's dive into the living space. Okay, here we have a space for four and a swivel table that not only rotates, but also expands to the passenger side. The ceiling is made of solid hardwood to complement the golden teak countertop. So we have a cool garage here with my bike. When I arrive at the destination, I can just move it out of here, and then you have this complete space open up. Okay, now we're going to explain what an open floor plan is. On my left side is the kitchen, and the countertop is a teak, golden teak, all the way from the entrance all the way to the rear. You can even cook with 3 stoves here. Underneath, we have the refrigerator, double compartment. We have a space here for another refrigerator or even a washer. On top, we have the microwave and extensive amount of storage on top. All right, now I'm going to show you the 10-second transformation. Everything we design here must be able to transform within 10 seconds. Otherwise, you are not even going to use it. So here's how you set up the dinette. Put the cushion down, push in, set, move my laptop here, and lock it. So as you can see, this entire area is multifunctional. You can use it as a kitchen, an office, dinette, a bed, and a garage. Let me show you how the bed is set up. So again, in 10 seconds, there you have a near king size bed. So we have a memory foam mattress, and when you're laying down on bed, you can look up. There's a skylight here that you can stargaze. And you can even stand on bed and set up your Starlink on the roof. This model sleeps 4, has 2 beds, a near king size bed, another bed that's converted from a lounge. This layout is available in both the short version as well as the extended version. So what we have here is the extended version. For the short version, you have the bump out. So you'll be sleeping sideways, and the long version, you'll be sleeping north and south. And it is just as easy to put the bed away. Fold it in half, push this up, right there. Again, you're done in less than 10 seconds. Another new concept is sharing the space. So it's all about transformation and sharing space, making this van look like a 28-footer. So here we have the shower, sharing the space with a second bed, which I'm going to show you later. Take a shower or go to the bathroom, simply close this, close it. And the shower pan has a magnet that catches the bottom of the curtain. Okay, we have the 360 curtain shower here, or you can opt for the solid fixed bathroom with a black tank. And to set up the second bed, simply push this on the side, release this, let this come down, have this, and Voila, you have your second bed. Now to set up this as a lounge, the whole concept of the Vantage is built with durability. The countertop is made of a 1-inch solid golden teak with aluminum framing, and the bed frame is also a lightweight aluminum framing with composite bedboards. TrueVan offers one of the best warranty in the industry. 11 years on the lithium battery, 5 years on the inverter, 1 year on the structure, and we keep serviceability in mind, so the placement of all our components is easily serviceable and can be replaced by a contractor. So I show you the Vantage built on the Transit. We can take that same floor plan and put it on the Mercedes 144 wheelbase or even the 170 wheelbase. Thank you for watching, and you can find us at TrueVan.com.